If you were asked what hairstyle this is, would you say twist or dreads? Well, these are twists, but they look like dreads, right? So I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful creative hairstyle that not only serves as a protective hairstyle, but also helps you to get your hair 2 times longer. This hairstyle got me 59,000 views when I uploaded it the first time last year, and since you guys loved it, I thought of doing it again so that you can see how it is and learn how to do it. Welcome to the channel, and without wasting much time, let's get started. Yes, welcome. If you read that, thank you for your love, thank you for your messages. Yes, I lost my dad, and you're hearing the voice of someone who is still grieving. Okay, so let's not dwell on that. Let's go straight to our hairstyle. I'm working on neatly washed hair, emphasis on neat hair. I'm not using dirty hair. I washed my hair like some days back, and you can see how neat they look. They look quite stretched because I braided them. Okay, so if you want to wash your hair, then I'll advise that you stretch it also. Then I'm dividing it into different sections to work with. I've divided it into 2 sections already, and now I'm going further to divide into smaller sections. I'm using leave-in conditioner because my hair is super dry, very dry. I'm using leave-in conditioner and hair butter, DIY hair butter that I made using Ayurvedic herbs. Now, I'm emphasizing on this because it is not a necessity to use leave-in conditioner. I didn't want to use leave-in conditioner because it made my twist shrink. Okay, you know the presence of water will make your twist shrink. So please do not use leave-in conditioner if your hair is already moisturized. Once you've done that, you want to start going in by sections. Use a tiny sections. Make sure to braid at first. Secure the roots by braiding 6 to 10 braids as far as you can go, but do not exceed 10. Then you want to divide it into 2 different strands, and then you start twisting. Now the idea is for you to twist very loosely, and you are not rolling and twisting like rope twist. No, you're just lapping each other. You're just going over each other, the one strand over the other, and then when you get to the tip, the end, you're going to roll out a little band knot as I am doing in this video. This will just help you secure your ends, that's all. So we are going to do it again so that I'm going to show you what it looks like, because I know that it's quite fast. So I'm going to take it again slowly for you. Okay, so let's work on another tiny sections. You can actually make this tiny twist, mini twist, micro twist, but I prefer to go with this section. Now we're going to start with braiding. As you can see, I am braiding. I can't count the number of braids that I went, but I think they are up to 6. You can go from 6, 8, 10, but do not exceed 10. Once you've braided down and secured your hair, you're going to divide it into 2 strands. Look at what I'm doing. Divide it into 2 strands. Can you see? And then you start twisting loosely. Twist very loose. The looser you twist, the fluffier your twist become. And look, I am not doing a rope twist. I'm just lapping each other. It's very simple. On the direction of twist that you are going to twist, it doesn't matter if you twist using the left hand method or the right hand method. Anyone that is faster for you, it will still give you the same outcome as long as you are loosely twisting. When you get to the end, secure it by tying a little band knot, and then you are good to go. So far so good. This is what our first section is looking like. And don't worry about the band knot. If you cannot do band knot, you can still leave it like that. I'm going to tag the first video that I made last year. You will see that I didn't do any band knot. Let me let you know that even after you do your band knot, after some days it's still going to lose. Okay, so the band knot is just to make it more beautiful, add some aesthetics, and it's not a necessity actually. If you can secure your ends with hair butter, hair growth butter, you are good to go. Look at how it's looking like. I'm just going to take it one small loose twist. Okay, twist loosely. Look at the way I'm doing. I'm using a mirror so that I can see the back of my hair in case I make mistake, and that's what you want to do. If you're doing this by yourself, make sure that you have a mirror or someone that is looking at it for you, so that one part does not look bigger than the other part. When I get to the end, I'm just going to roll like bantu knots. That's all. Very, very simple. You must not roll like bantu knots. You must not roll it. It's not compulsory. See how they are looking? Very, very fluffy, very, very loose. You see, very, very fluffy. And guys, one of the reasons why I love this hairstyle is because it is very easy to take down. The maintenance is good, the takedown process is good. You won't believe that I made this hair within 2 hours. Like, I didn't even waste time. And let me let you know that my hair is not even high density. My hair is not high density. It is between medium density or light density. My hair is like fine hair, but right now I think it's medium density. It's not very full, but look at the way I'm twisting. My hair looks very, very full. So this hairstyle works very, very good for fine hair. If you know your hair is very, very thin, very, very thin, and you have low density hair, you want to make sure to do this hairstyle always. It's going to bring out the fluffiness. It's going to make it very full. It's going to give you that wonderful look, that full look of twist. And people will be like, what did you add? Did you add extensions? Trust me, when I went out with this hair, everybody was asking me, what extensions did you use? I use my hair, girl. So like I said, do not spray water on them. If you spray water, it's going to shrink, except if you're going for a shrink look. Good, but eventually, it's natural hair, so it's still going to shrink when you're trying to re-moisturize every other day. So however it is good. It is left to you. The presence of water is good. It's just that it's going to make it shrink, make it shorter, and I didn't want that. Okay, so that was why I just use leave-in conditioner and hair butter. And even when I use the leave-in conditioner is water based, so it's still kind of introduce some moisture to the hair, and it's still shrunk. Okay, there's an English like that, there's a word like that. If you're watching this video at this point in time, it means that you love this video. Why not go ahead and click the subscribe button? Share this video to other girls out there so that they can see. Now look at the subscribe button. There's a bell close to it. Click on that bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. I upload videos every week. Okay, every week. So click on that notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video. I notice that a lot of people do not get notified when I drop videos, and that breaks my heart seriously. So please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified about my video. Right now I am currently doing the last twist, and guys, trust me, I did this hairstyle in 2 hours. You do not even need a rat tail comb to part. You can use your fingers to part. It will still come out very well. You can make this as mini, you can make this as midi, you can make this as maxi. When I take this hairstyle down, I'm going to try to do maxi twist, like jumbo twist, so that you can see how it looks like. Hope you enjoyed this video, because I did. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to drop a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video. At this point, the hair is looking so full and I love it. This was 2 days after, and let me tell you, this is when the hair starts to look like dreads, when it starts to look like temporal locks. You get people thinking, did she install locks? Did she lock up her hair? No, you just made twists. As you can see, it is more shrunken now. It is not as lengthy as it was when I first made it, and this is absolutely beautiful. This is one of the reasons why I love Afro textured hair, because it's so versatile and you can style it in different ways. It can be straight, it can be curled, it can be wavy. Anyhow, I tried some few styles on it, and I'm not really great at styling my hair, but I tried to do this half up and half down with some bangs at the front, and I tried to do this one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this video. Do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.